Hello my fellow miner, fair warning, there will be profanity in this one. We are going to have a look at what is GEMLINK, the wallet, overclock settings, expected hash rate, daily profit forecast, which is the new video series I've started. I've added it to the end of this one. What is GEMLINK? Well, I actually didn't want to read the white paper or their page as it's always the same, the best in the world. So here is my explanation of what GEMLINK is. It is a gem plus link, and then you get a couple of interlinked gems. That is it, I guess. Don't ask me why they are blue, ask Zelda. I think that very scientific explanation of what GEMLINK is requires a like, so head down and click like before it's too late. Wallet. Well, this one is quite easy. Just download Cellcore. It is so easy, you go in and add it. If you already have it, then please remember to update it so you don't waste a fucking hour on figuring out why you cannot find GLINK or GEMLINK as a coin. Overclock settings. Overclock settings is actually super easy both in Windows and in HiveOS. But it is a little bit frustrating in Windows as Mini C doesn't support clock rates. You have to use MSI Afterburner. And of course MSI Afterburner is completely retarded when it comes to the power level using percentage, so there we will use an NVIDIA SMI command instead. Now let's have a look at the overclock settings. No matter which GPU you have, set the core at 50. If you have the RTX 3050, 3060, 3060 Ti, Rev 1 and 2, 3070, then set the memory to 0. If you have the RTX 3070 Ti, 3080 10 gigs, 3080 12 gigs, then set the memory in HiveOS to -2000 and in Windows to -500. If it wasn't because MSI Afterburner was so retarded, you should actually set it to -1000 in Windows. No, I actually like MSI Afterburner. It's just frustrating when I'm used to setting everything in a client. Now let's have a look at the watts. The RTX 3050, 100 watts, 3060, 115 watts, 3060 Ti Rev 1, 155, 3060 Ti Rev 2, 155, 3070, 145, 3070 Ti, 185, 3080 10 gigs, 150, 255, 3080 12 gigs, 265. Before moving on to the Windows batch file, let's have a look at how to configure it in HiveOS. GEMLINK doesn't actually exist yet in HiveOS, so you need to go in and create a new wallet, then write GEMLINK and click create. Add your wallet address and give the wallet a name and then click create. Now go to the flight sheet creation, select the new GEMLINK coin, your wallet, configure in miner and then Mini C. Click setup miner config and fill it out as seen here on the screen. And now on to how to set the overclock settings. Simply add core, memory and watts as seen here on the screen and then save. Awesome sauce magic. Let's have a look at the Windows batch file. It is pretty straightforward. Set your overclock settings in MSI Afterburner and then create a batch file based upon what you see here. If you have multiple graphic cards, then just add a new NVIDIA SMI line and in the new line change the -I space O to -I space 1 and so forth, 2, 3, 4, 5, and the same with the --CD space 0, add a space 1, space 2, space 3. I'll also add this on my Medium page where you can go and copy paste it. Now you ask me why don't I just add it to the description so you can go copy there? Well, it's because like half of everyone who does it have a problem with it for some odd reason. YouTube is a tart and changes it. So there you have my very valid reason. And of course it pushes you over to my Medium page. It is finally time to have a look at the expected average results. The format will be as following: GPU, megahash, watts, efficiency. RTX 3050, 43.36, 99, 0.438. RTX 3060, 65.37, 115, 0.568. RTX 3060 Ti Hynix Rev 1, 89.12, 154.5, 0.577. RTX 3060 Ti Rev 2, 89.26, 154.7, 0.577. RTX 3070, 103.26, 144.7, 0.714. RTX 3070 Ti, 109.44, 184.6, 0.593. RTX 3080 10 gigs, 153.08, 254.4, 0.602. RTX 3080 12 gigs, 149.34, 264.5, 0.565. Isn't that fantastic? Now let's have a look at the actual mining screen. Unfortunately, there's not much to see here other than the hash rates, which we have just reported anyway. But don't worry, memory temperature is quite low and it's not actually used. However, since we are pushing a lot of watts through the card, you may want to up the fan speed. Now, the good question is, why is this rated as an adult video / mature video? Well, it is because I have violence in the intro. That rules out our normal rating and limits the video to adult people, which is completely fine. It also allows me to say fuck, shit and piss, all in the same video. Completely crazy. I know you have been looking forward to the profits, so here is the daily cryptocurrency profits. It will be published with a video whenever I publish a mining video, and on all other days it will be a self-containing video, so it will be available every single day. Now enjoy. See you in the next one.